Axie Cost Forecast. If you are genuinely interested in Axie boundlessness, the cost of AXS is predicted to increase by 0.401893 throughout the course of the majority of the next 7 days, getting to 8.28 cents by May 1, 2023. Market speculation analysis or cost expectation. You most likely simply need to know where the cost of Axie endlessness AXS may go from here on out. Our cost predictions use a variety of machine-based calculations in an attempt to foretell future price developments. The market speculation analysis or cost expectation. This price forecast certainly is aimed toward noting a large portion of especially your questions in a significant manner, such as will Axie endlessness AXS recover its ADH all-time high? What will Axie endlessness be generally worth 1 month from now? Whether or not now is an ideal time to purchase Axie endlessness, and whether or not Axie endlessness is currently giving bullish or negative indications. Incredibly, in this taxi vastness cost expectation estimate, we will use a variety of AXS technical pointers to forecast the price of Axie limitlessness. In actuality, over the course of the most recent week, Axie boundlessness has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 14.27 or so they thought. Consequently, we anticipate a slight recovery within the following week as financial backers especially make the most of this drop as a potential opportunity to invest in EVE. These predictions will, in a very real sense, provide you an indication of what the value of Axie vastness will be in 60 minutes today, tomorrow, over the fundamentally 1 week from now, and 1 month from now, which is extremely huge. The current price of Axie boundlessness explicitly is 7.88, and it generally is as of now most certainly position number 55 out of all digital forms of money. The total amount of stock that is currently available for use for Axie boundlessness is 115,987,103. And the overall market capitalization for Axie boundlessness is 91159044462 in the genuinely global rankings. The price of Axie limitlessness has increased by 0.86% in the last 24 hours. Nevertheless, oxidasness has had a type of difficult time picking up speed over recent days, resulting in a decrease of 14.27, which is a very large amount. This week, AXS has been sending out bearish signals, so if you have been considering investing in Axie endlessness and are looking for a good opportunity to do so, now might be a good time to do so. Astonishingly, the price of AXS plummeted by 4.03 throughout the past 30 days, bringing its total price down to 8.21, a decrease of 0.33091. This recent downward trend suggests that Axie limitlessness is, for the most part, in a dive right now, which is particularly very huge. The price of Axie limitlessness has decreased by 33.55 during the course of the most recent 3 months, which is equivalent to a loss of 3.98 from its previous value of 11.86. Our Axie limitlessness. Various machine-based calculations are used to resolve market speculations. These calculations fundamentally dissect a variety of specialized pointers, such as the especially relative strength file, RSI, moving kind of normal union dissimilarity, MACD, moving really normal mama and normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger groups, BB. The cryptocurrency market is known to be notoriously volatile, which makes predicting future prices of Axie limitlessness by and large a difficult task. Since the price is affected by a great number of different factors, the forecasts that we provide should not be construed as financial advice. Instead, you should conduct your own research and consult a financial professional before acting on any of your decisions. Axie boundlessness AXS value expectation 2023. As we really recover from the crypto winter, we are anticipating that Axie vastness will accomplish a greatest cost of 14.18 as the market most certainly starts to in every practical sense recover. The base expected cost is 9.46, and the average cost will drift around 11.82, or so they thought. Axie limitlessness AXS value expectation 2024. As Axie limitlessness keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024 Axie limitlessness can accomplish a greatest cost of 22.6 cents, while the average cost for the year will remain around 19.70 in the event that a bear market appears. The bottom value AXS can reach in 2024 fundamentally is 17.34 cents, or so they thought. Axie Boundlessness AXS Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we saw that the majority of people expect Axie vastness might see great development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, so the cost could sort of reach as high as 29.94, averaging around 27.58. Axie endlessness could in every practical sense see a base cost of 25.22. Incredibly, Axie vastness AXS Value Expectation 2026, with the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market. Axie Boundlessness could see Act Limitlessness can guarantee a truly most extreme cost of 45.71 by 2027, with a typical cost of 43.34 anticipated in an unobtrusive manner. In addition to the base cost for that very year, could especially see 40.98. Axie Boundlessness AXS Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, Axie Boundlessness reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that CRYP. Axie Boundlessness AXS Value Expectation 2029. In the year 2029, Axie Boundlessness reception will Axie Boundlessness AXS Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, due to the development over the course of the generally most recent 5 years, we will especially observe another genuinely major bull, and this indicates that Axie Boundlessness will continue to rise in value. Investors may notice AXS achieve in every practical sense largest cost of 61.47 on average, followed by an essentially regular cost of 59.10. Nonetheless, contrary to popular belief, the base cost obtained from our specialized investigation kind of is 56.74, which is actually important. Limitlessness of the Axis AXS value forecast for the year 2030. In the year 2030, AXS is fundamentally anticipated to carry on reviving towards 69.35 based on market opinion. Nevertheless, failure to acquire this assistance may result in Axie limitlessness normalizing around 66.98 in foundation out 64.62. Axie limitlessness this year will be one to sort of recollect for Axie boundlessness. In 2031, we expect that AXS will come to another ADH of 77.23, the new particularly least. In 2031, we anticipate that AXS will come to another ADH of 77.23, the new extremely least. In the last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin has gone up by more than a third. This has led to expectations of a crypto rally that will break records in the coming months. The top cryptocurrency in the world hit its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, when it went above $28,000. At the beginning of the year, it was worth less than $17,000. It's still a long way from its all-time high in November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology officer of Coinbase, bet $2 million that one BTC will hit $1 million in the next 90 days. This shows how optimistic he is about Bitcoin's price in the near future. The bet was made after Twitter user